Shalom, this is Ayelet with the word in Hebrew. In this lesson, we will learn the Hebrew alphabet. To supplement this course, you can get the complete Hebrew pronunciation chart and many more resources on my website, thewordinhebrew.com. And as always, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video below. The first thing to know is that Hebrew is read from right to left. There are 22 basic letters in the Hebrew alphabet, 7 of which have some different variations, which we will learn as well. I will go over each letter pronouncing its name and the base sound that it makes. The base sound is the sound the letter makes on its own when it has no vowel. Focus on memorizing the look of each letter and the base sound that it makes. We will learn each of the basic letters, then the final letters, and I will also point out any variations as well as letters that have the same base sound. And you can use the timeline or the links in the description to skip ahead at any time. So let's begin. The first letter of the Hebrew alphabet is Alef. Alef. Alef is silent when it has no vowel. Bet. Bet. The base sound of bet is b, as in Bob. Now pay attention to the dot inside the letter, which is the Dagesh. The Dagesh brings the emphasis to that letter. 3 of the letters have a variation with the Dagesh, with the dot, and without. So in this case, bet with the Dagesh makes b, as in Bob. And without the Dagesh, it's called a vet, and it makes v, as in gav. And I will point out the other letters as we get to them. Gimel. Gimel. G, as in dog. Dalet. Dalet. D, as in red. Hey. Hey. As in Vav. Vav. V, as in gav. Zayin. Zayin. Z, as in whiz. Khet. Khet. Just like when clearing out your throat. Tet. Tet. T, as in get. Yod. Yod. Y, as in pay. Khaf. Khaf. K, as in ark. And without the Dagesh, it is Khaf. Khaf. Like when clearing out your throat. Lamed. Lamed. L, as in gel. Mem. Mem. M, as in gem. Nun. Nun. N, as in pen. Samekh. Samekh. S, as in sky. Ayin. Ayin. Ayin is silent when it has no vowel. Pay, pay. P as in map. And without the Dagesh, it is fey, fey. F as in off. Tsadik, tsadik. Ts as in boots. Khaf, khaf. K as in ark. Resh, resh. R. Just like when gargling water in the back of your mouth. You can also say that as a Spanish R at the front of your tongue, re, re, which is probably the way it was in biblical times. And if that's too difficult, just say it as a regular R, as in for. Shin, shin. Sh, as in ash. Sin, sin. S, as in sky. Now pay attention that shin that makes sh has the dot on the right side, and sin that makes s has the dot on the left side. One easy way to remember that is that sin is never right. And the last letter of the Hebrew alphabet is tav, tav. T as in get. There are 5 letters that are called final letters, meaning they only show up at the end of words. In Hebrew, a final letter is called sofit. Most of them extend below the line, and their base sound is the same as their parent letter. So let's learn them in relation to their parent letter. Khaf, Khaf sofit. Like when clearing out your throat. Mem, mem sofit. As in gem. Nun, nun sofit. N as in pen. Fey, fey sofit. F as in off. Tsadik, tsadik sofit. Ts as in boots. Now let's learn all the letters with the same base sound. Alef and Ayin are both silent when they have no vowel. Vet and Vav both make V as in gav. Khet, Khaf, and Khaf sofit all make ch, like when clearing out your throat. Tet and Tav both make t as in get. Kaf and Kof both make k as in ark. Mem and mem sofit both make as in gem. Nun and nun sofit both make n as in pen. Samekh and Sin both make s as in sky. Fei and Fei Sofit both make f, as in off. And finally, Tsadik and Tsadik Sofit both make ts, as in boots. So this is it for the Hebrew alphabet. I hope you enjoyed this. In the next class, we will learn the Hebrew vowels, so stay tuned. And as always, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, Shalom and God bless.